Bottles by Kaitit from Trinidad is this week's Caribbean video.
Okay. Now we take it back to basic. You see this flag? This for waving. Too much a headband. Too much a posing. Too much a IG snap pics posing. I was the 90s bars for behavior. I was the big flag. I was the powder. I was the all the girl winding up the bumper. Promoter what yourself and then yourself my party done. It's way too much of I so we just stop now. The energy too high for we to calm down. Promoter that go be a mistake. Cause if you try to stop this, security go quit. We don't watch no damn face. We mashing up the whole place. Girl push it back like backspace. Push it back, wind up your whole waist. We don't want no up, we want the whole case. 6 buttons are Johnny, we don't damn chase. 6 buttons are Johnny, that's a whole case. Drink that, go home and get your whole case. What you say? Eyes are red, my cooler pink, my Johnny black, my conduct stink.
The outstanding career of veteran reggae star Toots Hibbert is profiled in this week's Our Trailblazer feature.
In the early 1960s, when most teenagers were thinking of having fun and living on the edge, singer Toots Hibbert had one thing on his mind, that was music. Having moved from Clarendon to Kingston, he formed the group The Maytals with Jerry Matthias and Riley Gordon. They won the festival song competition 3 times and signed with Island Records. The group went on to international acclaim, and Toots also did some solo work. Having won a Grammy in 2005, Toots' star continues to shine with tours worldwide each year. For his major accomplishments in music, we salute Toots Hibbert as our trailblazer for having excelled in and contributed significantly to Jamaican and international pop music culture.
Now it's time to check out the Magnum Top 10. Let's see if your favorite song made the cut.
I took on a cup of coffee. Squeeze, sup up your whoop. I took on a cup of coffee.
Follow you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink. I know anybody buy my dinner. So I teach you.
Yeah, we put your first and second and third. Watch your blessings come forth. Blessings come forth. Yo, it is a miracle to make your thing shot and not end up a gun cut.
I like how me pay it off. Me feel for rough, pull off your any cigar. Pull up like the streets, me hear them say chop blood. But tell some no fi approach me, them no see some me dog. And I'm judging.
Yeah. Make money, make money, yeah. Make money, make money, yeah. Make money, yo. Make money, yeah.
Listen and picking on me there. In a me there. Alright then, and the girl with me fling. Yeah, I'm in a show.
Still stay strong, still stay strong. Man, straight for my life, whenever we count when.
Can't see me a start problem. Them a man clowns and me walk on them. Me no love chat but me a want them. Tell them this a real Shen Yang anthem. Now fight no girl over.
Every morning a girl in a me bed a so me live. To the haters cause me now. Chacha boy, be a chacha ni so go on way. Chacha boy, be a chacha ni so go on. See the flare king.
Mama now go, me now go nowhere. She living it up and she out there. Doing it with no fear. Hey. Bubble your body for the up top boss. Bad man off your baby.
And that's how we say goodbye to New Kingston on this week's episode of Predis. I'm your host, Michaela Liana. Be sure to follow us on social media at Predis Show and to like our Facebook page. We leave you with more from Rattigan's new video. Be strong. See you next week.
No, in a life you happy. Skillful like MacGyver. When I me touch the road, I charge and me driver. The older I am, I get wise on the races. Not bad this with only survivors. Them say, walk and live or you talk and dead. Refrain and
One more shot.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit.